If you're trying to get easy jewels in Anime Last Stand without wasting time, these are the fastest and most reliable ways to stack them early and mid-game. First, do your daily and weekly quests every single day. These are one of the most consistent jewel sources in the game. Even if the rewards look small, they add up fast over a week, especially for free-to-play players. Next, focus on story mode clears. Every new chapter and difficulty clear gives jewel rewards. And rushing story early is one of the fastest ways to build your first big jewel stash. Prioritize clearing new content instead of replaying old stages at the start. Another big method is events. Limited time events almost always give jewels through milestones, shops, or drops. Even if you're underpowered, participating enough to hit milestone rewards can still earn you a solid amount. Don't ignore codes. Anime Last Stand regularly releases codes that give free jewels. Check the game's official Discord, Twitter, or Roblox page, and redeem codes as soon as they drop because many expire quickly. If you're strong enough, grind infinite or challenge modes. These modes reward jewels based on how far you push, and once you have a solid team, this becomes one of the best repeatable jewel farms in the game. Also, manage your spending. Avoid summoning on every banner. Save jewels for strong or limited units so your progress doesn't stall and you don't waste hard-earned currency. Quick recap. Do daily and weekly quests, clear story mode, grind events, redeem codes, push infinite modes, and save your jewels smartly. Like and subscribe if I helped you.